Are you a teacher and are you sick and tired of making lesson plans in things like drama and theater and improvisation because they don't exist in your school, but the kids need them? I agree, they need them. Okay, this video is for you. Hi, I'm Dawnnie Mercado. I have been teaching acting and improv and Shakespeare and all of those things to kids and teens for over 30 years. I have an MFA in acting from NYU. I have many other channels. You can see them linked down below. So I'm gonna start sharing my secrets to you if you want them, okay? This is one of my main secrets, one of my main books. If you are teaching acting in your school, even if it's young kids or teens, this is amazing. My affiliate link will be there for you, absolutely. Because what you can do is you can go, it's called Acting for Young Actors. You follow along chapter by chapter. There are beginning techniques, how you and I as teachers are really big on reflection. There's also a reflection point, and you can build it into your curriculum very easily. All right, and here is my favorite improv book of all time. 101 improv games. I'll put the affiliate link there for you as well. What is this good for? Okay, what you can do is you can create an entire year's worth of lesson plans simply by choosing a warm-up game, an intermediate game, and an advanced game. And at the end of the year, you can even use this to build a show to do that in front of the parents. So do they want to be professional actors? Maybe not. But you know what I found really helpful? This is how I maintained my sanity while I had an in-person acting studio here in my local town when I also had a full-time job and a child. So that's how you do it. Don't try and invent the wheel. The wheel already exists, and I'm here for you. So you know what I have on this very channel that you are watching? I have over 365 hidden, unlisted videos. They're mostly audio because I would do a lesson plan, record it for myself in audio, especially once we went into COVID, and I would have my teachers listen to them in preparation to teach the kids on Zoom. So you know what I can do? If you comment, you tell me, what are your problems? You have to reply here. A couple people have been reaching out to me directly on my, via text. I have somebody, hi, I'm seeing a gentleman tomorrow who's a teacher who asked me for advice. I'm seeing him on Zoom tomorrow for a free consultation. However, I gotta tell you, you and I both know, I have a full-time job. I have a 10-year-old. It's about to be the holidays, and I have 3 other channels here on YouTube. Please check them all out. I'm about to move all of my acting lesson plans to one of those. It's called Dawnnie Mercado _actor. All right, acting up with Dawnnie Mercado. I've been really having a lot of fun with reactions on my main Dawnnie Mercado one, link down below. So this one was about to kind of go into silent hibernation, but then I saw that these teachers needed me. Literally this month I had 2 teachers reach out to me. So teachers, I'm here for you. Whoops, sorry. Get these. Whoops. You can make your lesson plans for the whole rest of the year over your Thanksgiving break. Have a blessed Thanksgiving. Thank you for being there for our students. And absolutely, I'm here to help you, but you have to make comments here in this video. I'll see you soon.